I'm going to show you how to get to office.com because that is where you're going to find all of the items that you're going to need for this class, but also for other classes. So you either click on Microsoft Edge or you can go to Google Chrome, either one of these. But I'm going to go to Microsoft Edge. You can use either one of those. And you are just going to type in office.com. And you could either just type it up in the bar that's up there, or you can always just Google it. But no matter what, you need to go to office.com. Over on the side, you're going to click sign in. And here, it automatically signs me in. If it does not automatically sign you in, what you want to do is you want to log in right here with your lynnschools.org email address and your password. It's going to provide a space for you to type both of those in. And once you log in, you are going to get a bunch of things pop up. For me, these are all the things that I have created. You might have a bunch of things that have been shared with you from other teachers. But this is office.com. You can see all of these items here, and that is how you log in. You log in with your school email and your password, just like you do when you try to get into the computer.